Hello students, today we'll start with the fifth chapter, that is at the platform. Now every one of you have been to a platform, right? What can you see there? What are the things you see at the platform? Railway tracks, peoples, hawkers, train, right? Let us see what this chapter is saying. What is this chapter about? Lesson 5, at the platform. Tripti, Tara, Rupa, Sneha, Sahil and Joseph are all at the station. These are the friends, these are few friends who have gone to a station. And why have they gone there? Because their friend Lata is coming today. They have gone to pick her, right? Their friend Lata is coming today. So her train is late. It is coming at 10 o'clock. Now Lata, who's Lata? The friend of the people there, right? She is coming and her train is late. It is coming by 10 o'clock. Now it is 9 o'clock. They have been there by 9 o'clock, right? So all the friends are standing on the platform and they are waiting for her train, waiting for Lata. So Tripti then said that she was hungry. I am hungry, I will eat some samosas. Come, who wants to eat? Here we can see Tripti is going to buy the samosas, right? But are these samosas safe? Let us see what the next they are saying. Joseph said, I am hungry too. Now Tripti and Joseph both are hungry. Sahil is also hungry, he is saying, right? But Tara says, this food is not clean. It has the dirt on it, right? Why is Tara saying so? Look at the flies. You should not eat this. Let us eat some bananas. What do you think? Is Tara saying right? See here, the samosas we can see are kept open, right? In stations there are so much crowd, dust, dirt, right? And all the flies are sitting on that samosas and all the three are planning to eat there. Tara, who is an intelligent girl, he is saying that this food is not clean, right? She is saying very correct. It has dirt on it and all the flies and all, so you should not eat that food. Instead you can eat some fruit, that is bananas, because bananas you peel it and you eat, right? Geeta, I have my tiffin. Geeta is now saying that she has brought her tiffin. So now all the friends are then planning to eat the idli and chutney of the Geeta's tiffin, right? Let us move on to the next. All together they said, when Geeta said that she has tiffin, right? They can eat her tiffin. She offered them her tiffin. What are everyone saying? They said, oh yes, that will be great. They are happy that instead of eating that samosas, that open samosas, we can eat the tiffin, right? Rupa, oops, I dropped one. I am sorry. Now when they were eating, one friend, by mistake she dropped one and she said sorry. See here, what do you learn? That you should say sorry whenever you make some mistake, right? Now Tripti, after eating, here also a good manner you can learn. Thank you Geeta, Tripti is saying. Why? Because when they were hungry, Geeta offered them the tiffin. Geeta helped them, right? And they all shared and eat the tiffin. So now Tripti is thanking Geeta and she is saying that idlis were very tasty. After they have finished now eating, they can see that, what they can see, that they can see the train coming. They have gone there to pick to pick Lata, their friend, right? Joseph now is saying, look, there is Lata. The train, after the train comes, Joseph identified Lata, right? Then Lata said, hello everybody. Lata, after now coming, what she said, hello everybody. She is greeting everyone there who have gone to pick him, meet her, right? Now Sahil, her bags are heavy. Now one of the friend, Sahil, he saw that the bags are heavy. So now Sneha and Sahil both are going to help Lata. May I help you? They are asking her, right? Lata, thank you. Yes, please. Now Lata is tired, so she is handing over all the bags to their friends. They are helping each other Rupa is now saying, welcome Lata, how are you? Right, now Rupa is greeting her, right, and she is asking, how is Lata? Lata, I am fine, thank you. Come on, let us go home. Lata is now replying that she is fine and now we shall go home, right? So this was the chapter. Now I'll be sending the question answers of this chapter through PDF on the next day, tomorrow, okay?